Hey everyone, P-Titus Concept is here with something fascinating. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an abstract animation in vector motion Android app, just like the one you are seeing on the screen. This tutorial is great for experimentation, motion graphics, or simply creating cool visual vibes. First, tap the plus icon and select nested scene. Next, add a 10% stroke or outline. Now tap FX, then tap the plus icon again. From the FX panel, select mirror. Set the mirror offset to 0%. Now rotate the handle to start creating different abstract shapes. After that, turn on Auto Animate. Select the time unit to seconds. Finally, animate the shape's movement using the timeline. And that's it. You can now create beautiful abstract animation right inside vector motion. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.